get you off my mind. I can see the signs, gone and got it on the side. Thought you were being sly, thought I'd never catch you line. Trying to keep it in, I can see it in your eyes. Go with doing the you, still pretending that look cool. Something on your cheek, then that's strange, it's true. Trying to be a man, trying to be a man tonight. I'm afraid I can't, I'm afraid I can't tonight. I can't let you go. I'm scared of none above what you feel right. I'll give you honor cause you make me feel alive. Holding on to nothing while my karma hits the ground. You're not around, no longer around. It's a little bit too much for me. Can't shake the thought you touch and feel. Know what I wish that I would see when I close my eyes. I close my eyes, thinking like I was naive, thinking that we could be the lead, and know that I would ever see when I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I'm scared of none above what you feel right. I'll give you honor cause you make me feel alive. Holding on to nothing while my karma hits the ground. You're not around, no longer I've been pacing my paces, no kamikaze. I've been making my makers say what I'm offering. We've all had behaviors and they were troubling. Smoke way too much, I keep coughing. I pull out all the stops to make a profit. When I get down to the bottom, I need topping. Come here and ease my mind, be my clonopin. Let me chug this thing and be proud of it. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud. And you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on them fours, when you use the force, there's no problem. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud. And you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on them fours, when you use the force, there's no problem. Pull out the peas, fill me up like a Reese's. When I'm with you, I'm holier than Jesus. Religious freedom, paid leave to get on my knees and pray to you if you're cool with cosplay and teacher. I don't mean to come across facetious, but it's all a joke to me and it should be to all of these. Sometimes I think it's the only way to stay decent. When the wind blowing that way, we ought to brave the breezes. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud. And you can't sit still when we on the floor. When I'm on them fours, when you use the force, there's no problem. I will carve it in and I'll make you feel like you on the cloud.
I'm a social suicide. Since I lost you, I've been high. Think you saw me with your friends last night. Yeah, I think it was you. Such a tragic, rather painful sight. So embarrassing. So I ran back to my heartache, holding hands with the night. Hopelessly hoping you to call. If we think about it, we think too much. Maybe we should talk about it, should be enough. But we'll never be enough for us if we not give up. Just say yes. 'Cause baby, 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 we're better than that. Maybe, 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 maybe it's as simple as that. If there's love in afterlife, hope we catch the same flight. If we think about it, we think too much. Maybe we should talk about it, should be enough. But we'll never be enough for us if we not give up. And when I think about it, I think too much. I don't wanna talk about it, we talk enough. We'd rather think about it, 'cause I'm in love. Words get much I miss you whenever you're gone. I want you here beside me for eternity, shining your light like a sun. I try for you, baby, to take the higher road, to be someone you're proud of, but I've been lost lately. I don't know what is right or wrong. Ooh, I always like me better when I'm around you. Ain't no place I'd rather be. You got this energy that always surrounds you. It's everything I'll ever need. The devil on my shoulder's almost gone. Ooh, I always like me better when I'm around you, around you. Oh yeah. Call me some night when you got time. I won't be asleep anyway, 'cause I just need one reason to keep on breathing. Tell me you'll come back to stay. I tried for you. Messy stressing in the morning. I gotta keep up with life. Got no regrets. I count my blessings, but I'm still getting no sleep at night. Getting out of the house, I heard an eagle in the top of a tree. I had to listen. I got a feeling it was saying something to me. I'm calling my father, telling him all the things that and bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for that long bumpy ride. Always going forward, and no one is stopping me. I keep on running from my failures, my doubts and miseries. Everything is as it should, but when then will there be light? I feel like I'm dreaming of symphonies, but I'll keep writing lullabies. I'm calling my father, telling him all the things that and bangs and the crashes on the way to my dreams. Although I'm a mother, I could need some advice, a little pat on the shoulder for that long bumpy ride.
Another rainy afternoon, I don't know what I'm to do. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house, I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stayed here right with me. I can't shake that feeling that we said goodbye too soon. I know the hour's getting late, I shouldn't sit here contemplating. I just can't stop thinking about us. I won't forget a single thing, from drunken nights to Sunday mornings, and how you smile at me. Wish you'd stay that feeling that we said goodbye too soon.